wasn't it? Yes, indeed. The blue boat wearing blue t-shirts, Royal Worcester. The dark blue boat in the red t-shirts, that's Dust, and in the black boat, bringing up the rear, is Brandy Snappers.
Goodbye. Alright, we've got to get 2 minutes or 2:02 or below 2 minutes. Otherwise, you decide which Avon are further down there and you decide to take it easy. We've lost it, we're out the final. It's that close now because the Dust is doing a good time.
Brandy Snappers, 2 minutes, 13.2.
All of us together?
The tightrope of fear. The tightrope of fear. Stop laughing.
Bob, push her over. Works and all, she's not going to be too pleased. Rob!
Right, in 5 minutes, in the function room in the leisure centre, there is a live magic show. Starts in 5 minutes in the function room at the leisure centre.
Sit there then and wait. They're going to come all the way down there. Bang, bang, bang with it.
Paddles on the water, think on the outside. Paddles on the water.
Yeah. Oh, let's do it. We live there. First dive first.
We're in trouble. We're inside. We are actually in trouble.
Everybody has people don't climb on the street and get everybody random people. if I'd had large hair, I
I've had enough of this silly game.
Okay, we're going to get the drummer on. Keith. Just put the rope in for me. Thank you.
Everybody goes here.
Everybody sit tight to the outside, edge of the boat. Okay, stop paddling. Stop paddling a minute. Right. Just hold your paddle. You're heading you up right in front of the boat. You're going to make a stroke. Everybody, hold the paddle. Hold the paddle up. Right. And keep it at the side of the boat. Right. And you take a stroke and you take it straight back out. Right, count it out. Ready? Attention. Go. 1, 2, 3,
in the black boat. They're looking to see if they can beat their best time so far. Their best time so far is the best time overall of 1 minute 56.
Cheer him on.
Can we have the next two crews to the marshalling area, please? That's Topeka and Alan Gears. Atchison, Topeka and Alan Gears teams. Can we have them to the marshalling area? Well, there's a clear victory indeed for the Crumble Dashers. And there's the dragon from the dragon boat. God bless Sainsbury's.
Come on, Gloria. Come on.
We have the next two.
Well done.
Control to DJ.
Every time someone gets on again. People on the outside, cameras on the wall, please. Come on.
Yeah, I've got to get off to get back on road because I'm loading first. You'll be sociable.
So,
See what they're doing.
Go down first.
Hey, you're still there.
Wait!
Put your backside against the side of the boat. That's it, give it a ball. Get close here. Let's talk.
Yeah! What's the time? I've got a cold, I don't want to go in. Time? Time? Not what is the time, what was the time. Thank you. Oh right, so we have to go here. Good luck.
Where you walking? Getting on with it? Yeah, you should have been that
Muscle ball. What have you done now? It's all yours. That's off. Yeah, right.
Black boat is dust. In the blue boat, adjacent to Beaker, and in the dark blue boat, the Brandy Snappers. This is the runners-up final. Close to second place. At the moment, adjacent to Beaker are in second place, and in third place, the Brandy Snappers. In the lead by a length and a half is Dust, from adjacent to Beaker, and Brandy Snappers bringing up the rear. Between 18 in the black boat, the sugar.
Nice babe.
Throw the rope to that guy with that star on his front. Throw the rope. Have the rope, zoom in. Someone.
I'll tell you what, Again, thank you for outfit.
Thank you.
Well done, team. Big wow, big wow. We won't laugh.
Still won't make work though, Benno.
Yeah, but if we lose this one, it'll be really horrible. Yeah, but if we do, we're not, are we? We're not going to lose.
You've got to have the right attitude.
Okay, when we win,
Sally, talk to her.
we're going to win. 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 And now my hands up. I clapped too hard.
I got 3.
After the counting, I'm not going to be able to shout. Oh, we need the yellow card.
Does the generator does it again?
Oh no.
Got the batteries. Got it.
Then I should get timed out with yellow. I need a small one.
Let's sit down now, come on. Come on.
But what if we don't get one? We will. Hey, look, because it's down there. And you think if you go down, can I get in now? I'm really worried about my leg. Yeah. Sorry.
The team is ATC. In the light blue boat, the team is Meshuggah. And in the dark blue boat, the team is called the Other Boat Team. And can we have the...
Right, everybody say cheers.
What's he doing? Yeah, come on.
Yeah,
have another one.
Come on then.
Come on.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yay.
Oh, I can't get up. The house.
This race are the junior winners overall. Here we are, this is Meshuggah. This is Meshuggah in the light blue boat. ATC in the black boat. Coming behind second, and in third place, the Other Boat Team.
We should go. Back the rope.
Hang on! Come on!
Paddle back.
Yes, you can, but you change.
Yes, change at Worcester.
Change at Worcester.
Yes.
What time would be?
When tonight or?
Don't know, I can't see.
What, light blue?
Yeah. Zuby, don't go away! I am worried! Come back here!
Come on, Worcester! Grab the bag when you come to it! Show everybody! Yes!
To the front. Well done, crew.
You won!
Did we get it?
Yes!
The time!
1:57.
1:57.01.
People on the inside, can you draw a stroke, please? People on the inside, draw a stroke. Go! Okay.
Throw us the rope.
I can do
John, you're always easy. Bring your paddles out, but don't put them in the way so you're not slipping on them. Okay?
Yeah, bless her.
I used to say they toss onto the boat. Yeah, I couldn't understand why the Worcestershire is that one and not this one. Now I put it in.
Thank you very much.
I see.
Hold on. Don't know what's in under there, you know. I don't know what to take it.
It's Jim. Then the gym. Yeah. Have a look. She's just gone forever. Seconds, split seconds, absolutely split seconds, inch, if that.
All right, Rog.
Are you doing first?
Juniors first.
Would you like to gather round, please?
Can't do my hand. I do my hand. It's good.
Pershore Arts and Riverside Festival Committee. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who took part in the dragon boat racing. I'm sure you've all enjoyed it. We've had a really good day of racing. The weather's been ideal, apart from a little bit windy. But I'd also like to thank all the people who helped make this another successful Pershore Riverside Festival Day. I'm sure everybody's enjoyed it. It only now leaves me to pass over to, first of all, Chris Parsons, the Mayor of Pershore, to present the winning junior team with their shield and trophies. So the winners of the junior final, is it Mashunga? Oh, I suppose. Mashunga. If you'd like to come forward, Chris will present you with your medals. I would like to say that these young ladies have actually helped us tremendously over the 3 weeks of the Riverside Festival. They really have been a great help. I'd also like to thank Atchison Topeka for presenting us with the trophy which we are giving to the youth team today. Thanks very much. Much appreciated. And Spearhead who actually purchased the medal.
Do they know we got the fastest time? I don't know. Can you back pass it? Wow. You see the shield? Sally. Sally.
Sorry, Mr. Parsons.
Getting too many twists in it.
Scary. You've got a camera filming your head.
Well, I just hit my head.
You're in a line like in a World Cup. Yeah, you've got to kiss it. You've got to hold it up. Get you all together just over the the whole team. You've got to hold it up. Congratulations. Take a photo of the whole team.
Well done.
They do a neck cricket.
Yes, definitely, well deserved.
Let me sit on my legs again.
Everyone. Your event, which I think was the ATC, am I right?
Everybody smile.
Yes. Anybody here for the ATC who would like to come forward?
I took 4 then.
Not obviously this is the final event, but this is part of the Pershore Riverside and Arts Festival, which has been going on for the last 2 weeks. And the plan is that we're going to make this an annual event, so hopefully. Right, I'd now like John Payne, the chairman of Witch Avon District Council, to step forward to present the trophy to the winning senior team. The trophy is presented by the Pershore Chamber of Trade, and the winning team were Worcester Royal Porcelain.
Only 39 to go. Well done, excellent. Very good. Will we have more close races next year?
Yeah, it's brilliant, wasn't it? Thank you very much.
There we are. Congratulations. Congratulations. Right, thank you.
Thank you.
It's all right. I'll slow down then. That's enough. You look a bit wet, but I'm sure you deserve the medal. Well done. What a great race. A good crew there.
Right, second in the senior race was Alan Gears. Would somebody from Alan Gears like to come forward and... And we also have a small prize for the third team, the Crumblebackers. Is anybody at the Crumblebackers?
Well done.
Before we leave, this is the second year we've had dragon boat racing down here, and I think dragon boat racing is a sport which is gaining in popularity. And as we've already said, there is now a dragon boat club in Pershore, based at the Star in Bridge Street, and there's one particular person who's done an awful lot of work in setting up the dragon boat club in Pershore. And in recognition of that, we have a little memento for him. So, Keith, would you like to come forward?
Open the box. There you are. Oh, takes a lady, don't it? Eh? Hey, very nice. Oh, that's lovely, that is.
Thank you.
Nice, isn't it? Yeah, that's it, Keith.
Keith, hold it.
Thanks, Alan.
Yeah, don't give him an inch, Alan, not an inch. See you, Mark.
Before everybody disappears, can we have some of the crews? We've got to put one of the boats onto a trailer, so if somebody can stop behind and help us get the boat onto the trailer, it would be a great help. Thank you very much.